Hello everyone. So this would be after you have made the dry run invitation email. So this would be the third tutorial, which is for the student invitation email. Alright. So you have to go to the template and you can see that this is the steps that you have to take. But I will guide you also. So go to your Outlook and then go to calendar. So like I said just now, maybe if the event is on this Friday and you made the dry run everything on the Thursday, so you also have to send an email on the Friday to the students. All right, so click new Teams meeting, and then what you have to do here is just follow the template that are given to you and go to the number 3, which is students invitation email template. Copy everything here, go back to Outlook and paste everything here, and then go back to the template and change and copy the subject and change the title of this. So whatever I say, you have to do everything accordingly. So go back to top here, search the session title. You have to change to the session title of the webinar. For the required part, you have to leave it blank because this is to the students, so we want to make them we want to protect their privacy. So any emails that is sent to the students should not be put in the required part, because if the other students can see, so their privacy is breached. So for the optional, is still the same. Go back to the template and go back to the top and copy all 5 email here. Go back to Outlook and paste it in the optional part. And for the resources, you will later on receive an Excel for the form that the students have filled in, and they will give you all their emails. So you have to put in all their emails in the resources. Alright, you have to check everything one by one if you have to make sure that no one is left out, or if there is any errors, you have to find it and check it. Alright, and then click OK. After that, make sure the start time is correct on Friday, on 4:30 maybe, and then the end date is on for 1 hour session. The location is Microsoft Teams, and everything here you have to change everything into ITC Galliard with font of 11. Okay, so change everything here. This would be the session title, the title here, the date, the time, and the link. As you know, the link is down below here. You have to copy the link, and then you have to paste the link here. Alright, and you have to delete this part because you don't need it. And for the link, change the color into blue accent 1, darker 25%. Alright, and then later on, for this signature part, you have to go to the insert and click signature and insert your signature for VTEC22. Alright, so this does not end here, because for this one, if there is a lot of participants, you have to check something. You have to check for the meeting settings. You can find it here and go to the meeting options, and you will get that part. It will load for a while depending on your internet connection. And after you alright, so this, who can bypass the lobby? So always let callers bypass the lobby, because you don't want anything to disrupt the event. So untick the announcement callers because you don't want that. Who can present? So later on for this, you have to choose specific people, right? Specific people. For who, you have to find maybe your TA, and then your MC, and then the speakers. Alright, so have to find the emails here, and if you don't find their emails here, later on in MST you can find the settings again and just add them after that. Alright, also allow mic for attendees and allow camera, you untick it first because you can enable it again after the event starts. And then allow reactions, yes, and click save and close it. And then for the response options here, go the same place, and then you just click on the response options, and then you just make sure that you untick the allow new time and untick the request response, so you only have to allow forwarding. So that is all for the options. Why do we have this? Because if you didn't untick this, your email inbox would be flooded with their responses. So that is it, and check everything again and then just click send, and that is all.